China Valve Holdings Limited is engaged in developing, manufacturing, and marketing a variety of valve products for electricity, petroleum, chemical, water, gas, and other industries in China. It operates two wholly owned subsidiaries, Henan Kaifeng High Pressure Valves Corporation and Zhengzhou Zhengdie Valves Company. China Valve Holdings Limited is located in Henan Province, an area with a long history and a rich culture. The company is headquartered in Kaifeng, capital of 7 ancient dynasties of China. It currently has over 900 employees and operates a facility that is 1.18 million square feet in area. By the end of 2006, the company held over $43 million in assets. China Valve Holdings Limited currently serves as the Vice Board Chairman of the China General Machinery Association and the Board Chairman of the China Valves Industry Association. It possesses two well-recognized public brands. KF is the #1 brand in the China valve industry. It was awarded the most competitive brand in the valve industry by China's Ministry of Commerce. Our second brand, ZD, has also been awarded 2 important industry designations in China. China Valve Holdings Limited has competitive advantages over its competitors in technology, manufacturing, and marketing. The company has the upfront technology and the most comprehensive production lines to produce high-quality and high-end valves, especially high-temperature, high-pressure, and large-size valves. With 243 dedicated technology staff, China Valve Holdings Limited has a strong research and development capacity to support its high-quality products and continuous technology innovations. The company also maintains long-term research and development partnerships with the Lanzhou University of Science and Technology, the Hefei General Mechanical Research Institute, and the Beijing Steel Research Institute. China Valve Holdings Limited has established a highly reliable product quality control system and has successfully obtained various international and national qualifications and certifications, including the U.S. Petroleum Association API 6D quality certification, EU PED 9723 CE Product and Material Certification, Norway DNV Company ISO 9001 Certification, WARS Europe Drinking Water Quality Certification, and China National Special Equipment Manufacturing Approval. China Valve Holdings Limited holds 21 patents, including 19 new practical patents, an invention patent, and a product design patent. One of its subsidiaries, Kaifeng High Pressure Valve Corporation, operates the best steel casting and manufacturing technology in the industry. It is the first manufacturer in China developing forger steel gate valves for 300 megawatt, 600 megawatt, and 1000 megawatt power stations working at high temperatures and under high pressure. It is the only company in China which can design and manufacture valves for the ultra-supercritical units of 1000 megawatt power stations. It is the sole manufacturer in China for a complete series of blowtorch valves, water pressure testing valves, steam controlling valves for high-parameter power stations, and bypass valves for high-pressure heaters. It is the sole domestic supplier of 2,500-pound high-pressure gate valves for hydrogenation in the coal and chemical industries. Another subsidiary, Zhengzhou Zhengdie Valve Company, is the first company in China developing the bidirectional metal-sealed butterfly valve, which has been regarded as a high-technology product in Henan Province. The company also manufactures large-size butterfly valves for the Shanxi Yellow River Irrigation Project, the Hohhot Yellow River Irrigation Project, and for other large water companies. Their products, including expansion butterfly valves and eccentric ball surface valves, have resolved the technological problems for the manufacturing of sewage equipment in China. China Valve Holdings Limited produces a variety of valve products, including high-temperature and high-pressure valves for thermal power stations, valves for oil and gas pipelines, special valves for the chemical industry, large-size valves for drainage pipelines, and valves for sewage treatment equipment. Currently, the company has the absolute leading position in China's thermal power and water supply markets. It maintains the #1 position in the thermal power high-parameter segment with a 35% market share, the #1 position in China's thermal power industry with an 8% market share, and the #1 position in the provincial capital-level cities water supply valves market with a 41% market share. The major clients of the company consist of China Guangdong Nuclear Power Corporation, the 5 largest electricity power companies in China, China Petroleum and Gas Holdings Corp., China Petroleum and Chemical Holdings Corp., Shanghai Bao Steel Group, Beijing Shougang Group, Wuhan Iron and Steel Group, and Henan Shenghua Group. The company also provides a variety of medium and low-pressure butterfly valves for water supply companies in Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Shenzhen, Dalian, Harbin, Tianjin, Chongqing, Nanjing, Zhuhai, Suzhou, and many others. China is currently experiencing large-scale urbanization and fast industrialization. Globalization has made many multinational corporations transfer their manufacturing operations to facilities in China. The competitive advantages of the Chinese equipment manufacturing industry have also helped China to become the most important manufacturing location in the world. The production capacity and the structure of the Chinese equipment manufacturing industry have been substantially improved. Leading companies should benefit most from the rapid industry integration and technological advancement. At the same time, the Chinese government is moving to revitalize the equipment manufacturing industry using tax incentives, capital support, and other favorable policies. In this great macroeconomic environment, the Chinese valve industry is experiencing an unprecedented high growth opportunity as a supportive industry for equipment manufacturing. It is expected to grow 32% per year in the upcoming years. The estimated Chinese valve market size will increase from $5.3 billion in 2006 to $11.92 billion in 2009. The Chinese valve industry has remarkable opportunities in the near future because numerous large projects will soon begin in China. These projects include the Western Gas Eastern Transport Project, the large LNG projects on the southeast coast of China, the Southern Water Northern Transfer Project with estimated total investments of $60 billion, large sewer treatment and city water supply network construction and improvement projects in many large cities, large ethylene projects in Daqing, Jilin, Tianjin, Zhenhai, the third phase nuclear power station projects in Zhejiang, Ninghai, and Waigaoqiao, the second phase project of the Wuhu electric plant, and the nuclear power projects in Zhejiang Sanmen, Guangdong Yangjiang, Guangdong Lingao, and Qinshan. These new projects will bring strong impetus for the high growth of Chinese valve companies for many years into the future. In addition, most Chinese valve companies are small and less competitive, which provides China Valve Holdings Limited unique opportunities to implement ambitious industry integration through mergers and acquisitions to maintain high growth for many years to come, thereby maximizing shareholder wealth. Relying on the sustainable high growth of China's valve market and its competitive advantages in product brands and technology, China Valve Holdings Limited will further enhance its leading market position in the thermal power industry, in the petrochemical industry, and in the water supply industry valve market. Meanwhile, the company will expand to other valve markets through continuous technology innovations, aggressive marketing strategies, ambitious mergers and acquisitions, and successful global financing. Being a leader in the Chinese valve industry for years, China Valve Holdings Limited is seeking to become a leading company in the global valve industry.